Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, another nice day, so there's quite a few updates here that need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning and get rid of this green line down here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. Next part comes from just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 56 cents as a level of resistance, but now that the price has broken above it and maintained above it, and not only maintained above it but separated from it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. Ideally going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best? The strongest, whatever, however you want to classify that. If the price can stay up above 62 cents, that would be a very big sign of power on the bull's part. Now, if the price drops below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be best case scenario. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as I talked about in yesterday's video, it's really all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So as long as the price remains above that purple line going forward, that implies that the price is putting in higher lows. And by definition, higher lows over time is what a truly bullish move is, right? So that's a very easy way to look at things, is just simply put again, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, I'm going to change to the daily time frame here because I think we're going to have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history, which is a good problem to have. So I realize this is getting harder to see, but yeah, the price has not been up this high for a very long time. And next key level of resistance, I'm not sure if that's where the price knocked close, right up there at about 68 cents. Through the history, you can see 68 cents was a level of support, but then when the price failed right there, going back to the rules, when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So you can see right there from support to resistance, and then resistance right there, and then today resistance. So not saying 68 cents can't be broken, but it does make sense why the price struggled up around that area. So going into tomorrow, 68 cents, definitely next key level of resistance. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing for the past several weeks, chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.